and bring a lot of transformation. And it is needless to mention, this is the transformative technology which is having a lot of impact on the data analytics, IoT, robotics, business analytics, business intelligence, and whatnot. So we, the organizing team, decided to conduct this 5-day online webinar on artificial intelligence with the primary objective to throw light on all possible application domains of artificial intelligence. So, because any teacher should continue to update himself or herself on the changing technologies. So, interestingly, this artificial intelligence has emerged as, evolved as a multidisciplinary discipline. So, it just takes into its hand not only computer science, every possible discipline, maybe science, engineering, technology, management, and whatnot. So that is the reason why we decided to disseminate knowledge on the core aspects of artificial intelligence as well as its multidisciplinary stances, so that the participants will be able to understand the potential and the kind of the capacity artificial intelligence has to broaden the research as well as academic prospects, whoever it is. So on this occasion, I give you a promise that the participants will be enlightened on the trending topics related to artificial intelligence. And in addition to that, I take this occasion to thank our authorities who have supported us to conduct this 5-day program. And also, I thank all the participants who responded to our call in such a short notice of time. And it is a great pleasure for us also to have you online to conduct this program, because your participation is the one which is going to make us feel that this is a successful event that we have conducted. And conducting this kind of 5-day workshop and webinar in such a short notice of time wouldn't be possible without the support of the entire team. So I extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Mary Shantirani, who is the co-chair of this 5-day workshop, WAIMS-2022. And I extend my warm welcome to Dr. T. Kalachelvi, who is co-chair of WAIMS-2022. And we just thought of conducting this kind of program. And the idea, the core idea, the crux of conducting this was given to our guest faculty members and who are the co-organizing committee. So I also welcome Dr. Karthikeya Selvi, Dr. S.P. Gayatri, Dr. Nagaraj, Dr. Chitra, and Dr. Lakshman, who are the anchors of conducting this program. And with their consistent support, we are able to organize these kind of programs. And our research scholars are the helping hand whenever we are in need of it. So our research scholars are always with us to help us and then to make these kind of events to roll out in the best possible way. I welcome all the research scholars of our department. In addition to that, last but not the least, I welcome all the participants, because we have been burning our midnight oil to make this program successful in the best possible way. And for which we were able to reach out to the speakers, the keynote speakers. Though the time was very short, we should be thankful to them for being magnanimous and generous enough to give their consent and to be a part of this event. So I strongly hope that the expertise that will be thrown open to you by the speakers, keynote speakers, as well as the invited speakers, will definitely be a kind of knowledge addition to you. In addition to that, you may be having some idea about doing some research in artificial intelligence. So attending this entire workshop, this webinar, will definitely help you to broaden your idea or augment your idea or enhance your idea and thoughts and make your idea as innovative as possible. So I thank all the participants for your vibrant participation. I thanks for your response in the shortest possible time. And we also have a lot of ideas to conduct a few more programs in the coming months. And I just look forward for your participation, for your cooperation, your attendance in the coming programs also. And last but not the least, once again, I thank our authorities, the respected Vice Chancellor and the respected Registrar, for having given us an opportunity by providing funding and for their encouragement to conduct such kind of events in the campus. So the growth of any department not only lies in being excellent in academics, but it also demands showing excellence in research. So apart from doing research, dissemination of knowledge, like apart from we accumulate knowledge, dissemination of knowledge is also one of the major mandates of a university. So in this line, we are happy that we are able to help all the participants to acquire some knowledge on the latest trends and technologies related to artificial intelligence. I wish you very great participation, and we are able to get connected on this 5th, which is a memorable day for all the teachers. So I wish great happy Teachers Day to the performing teachers and the prospective teachers. And may your days and months be filled with happiness, good health, and good prosperity. Wish you all the best, and I strongly believe that the travel that you are going to take along with us in all the 5 days will definitely be resourceful, enterprising, and it will be entertaining too. I wish you all the best. Thank you all. I thank the organizers for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for the warm welcome. Now, I would like to invite our beloved ma'am, Dr. M. Mary Shanti Rani, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Application, and Co-Chair WAIMS-GRI to deliver the mechanics of the webinar WAIMS-2022. I welcome you, ma'am.
Respected and beloved Madam Dr. P. Shanmugavadivu, HOD and Chair of this conference, beloved Madam Dr. T. Kaichelvi, Co-Chair of this Co-Chair of this webinar, dear faculty members, guest faculty members, scholars, and dear participants. Good morning, everyone. Indeed, it is yet another proud moment for us, especially for our department, to organize the 4th webinar in the series of artificial intelligence. So we all know that artificial intelligence is revolutionary, is creating a revolution with its amazing applications in almost all key sectors like healthcare, agriculture, education, defense, so and whatnot. So we can say that there is no such field where artificial intelligence has no applications. So realizing the potential of artificial intelligence, with the support of our authorities, our department became a lead zonal partner of Leading India.ai, a nationwide project for popularizing AI skilling and research. So it's in association with Bennett University. So as part of that initiative, our department started a research group by name Incubator for Healthcare and Agriculture Applications, GRIHA. So the support of our authorities and in association with the Bennett University. So since then, our department has been consistently organizing seminars, workshops, and training programs under the dynamic leadership and consistent efforts of our beloved Madam, Madam Dr. P. Shanmugavadivu. So in this series, this is the 4th webinar we are organizing within this year, for this year 2022. So, so not only we are organizing webinars and seminars, not only within the campus, and also we organize several training programs in collaboration with other universities and institutions as well. So we should thank our former Vice Chancellor, Dr. S. Natarajan, who laid the foundation for this initiative. Now, coming to my responsibility, I'm extremely delighted to share with all the participants that this workshop features nearly 20 sessions from lectures from renowned experts in this field from various institutions. So I'd like to read the title and the respective speaker. The first session will be handled by respected Professor Dr. K. Thangavai, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, Periyar University, Salem. He'll be delivering the lecture on three-dimensional deep learning models and overview. Followed by Dr. V. Panchami, Assistant Professor, from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam. Her topic would be blockchain and cryptocurrency. The third session will be on machine learning, foundation for linear regression and classification by Dr. V. Vijayarajan, Associate Professor and Head, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. The last session will be handled by by Dr. Lata Parthiban, Associate Professor and Head in Charge of Department of Computer Science, Pondicherry University, Community College, Pondicherry. She will be delivering lecture on multidisciplinary big data analytics. The second day will start with Deep Learning in Healthcare by Dr. V. Uma, Associate Professor from Pondicherry University. And then AI Applications in Future of Computing by Dr. E. Chandra, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, Bharatiya University. IoT-Enabled Smart Networks by Dr. Simarpreet Singh, Assistant Professor from School of Computer Science, Engineering and Technology from Bennett University, Greater Noida. Followed by AI Applications and Introspection by Dr. K. Vijay Kumar, Joint Director, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Chennai. The third day will start with AI Techniques for Cyber Security by Dr. M. Balamurugan, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, Bardhasan University, Trichy. Followed by Artificial Intelligence and Ideal Solution for Cyber Security by Dr. K. Ahilandeswari, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government Arts College, Salem. The afternoon session will start with the lecture on blockchain technology. Dr. Vimal Kumar Vegal, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bennett University, Greater Noida. The last session of the day will be handled by Dr. P. Mariappan, Area Chair, Supply Chain Management, St. Joseph's Institute of Management, on data envelopment analysis and decision making. The first session on 8 will be on computer vision and artificial neural networks by Dr. S. Dominic, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Applications, NIT Trichy, followed by transfer learning for video analytics by Dr. T. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Amrita School of Engineering, and then role of AI in data science by Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi, Associate Professor, Department of Data Science, Christ University, Pune, Maharashtra, followed by applications of AI in agricultural extension experiences from M. Velanmai by Dr. C. Karthikeyan, Professor and Head, Department of Agricultural Extension and Rural Sociology, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. The first session of the last day will be on facial expression classification using machine learning algorithms by Dr. A. Vadivel, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Geetham School of Technology, Bangalore, followed by Natural Language Processing and Machine Learning by Dr. A. Salim Raja, Faculty, Department of Information Technology, University of Technology and Applied Sciences, Sheenaz Sultanate of Oman, followed by Cellular Logic Array Processing of Multidimensional Data using digital images by Dr. S. Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Anna University, BIT Campus. And the last session will be handled by Dr. V. Radha, Professor, Department of Computer Science, Avinashingam University, Coimbatore, on Super Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare. So, I strongly believe that this webinar will serve as an eye-opener for those who are new to this field. So, who are just, or we can say the budding researchers in the field of artificial intelligence, and it will provide greater insights for novel innovations for those who are already working in this domain. So, I wish you all a productive knowledge enrichment through this webinar, and I also thank all the members who are our chair and co-chairs, and all the faculty members, guest faculty members, research scholars for making this, for organizing this webinar in a grand manner. I also thank our authorities for providing us this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving the gist of the schedule. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. It's my privilege to invite our beloved ma'am, Dr. T. Kalichelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Application, Co-Chair, WAIMS-GRI, to propose the vote of thanks. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is my pleasure to pay this vote of thanks of this inaugural function. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable authorities for their support, especially this financial support for conducting this event. Thank you, sir. And my special thanks to our lovable Madam, Professor and Chair of this event, Dr. P. Shanmugavadivu, for her tireless effort to initiate and organize this WAIMS event, a series of events, and this is the fourth one. Thank you, Madam. And my special thanks to all our eminent speakers, nearly 20 speakers, for accepting to act as a resource persons and they're willing to share, they're going to share their expertise in this platform. Thank you all the speakers. And once again, my special thanks to our faculty members, especially co-chair and associate professor, Dr. Mary Shanti Rani Madam, and the other faculty members, Dr. Gayatri, Dr. Karthi Chelvi, Dr. Nagaraja, Dr. Chitra, and Dr. Lakshmanan for organizing these events by forming various kind of committees and sharing the works. Thank you all. And once again, my thanks to my research scholars and my office people for their support to organize this event in a good way. Thank you all. And finally, last but not least, my special thanks to all the participants who have come over and joined in this event. I assure you all that this event will provide a good platform to you to enrich your knowledge. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
Thank you all. Wish you a great day.
Thank you. Wish you all a happy day in this event.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the gratitude. Once again, we welcome all the participants and wish you a productive week with a knowledge enrichment through highly informative lectures of WAIMS. Now, we move on to the first session.
Yeah, before that, dear participants, we have put all our efforts to get all the resource persons. And as the name goes, they are highly resourceful. And we have ideally handpicked all the resource persons and keynote speakers in order to give you the best possible out of this webinar. So all my request from the organizing team is, and please try to be as committed, as sincere, and as interested as possible, because all our efforts will be successful only if the information that we want to provide through this webinar ideally reaches you. So, and kindly be cooperative, and let us try to make this program a grand success that happens only with your participation. So please do listen to the lectures and ask your questions, get your doubts clarified, and make the session interactive. And definitely, B3 will assure you that along with the assurance from the team, this will be as informative as possible, right? And we give a lot of assurance for the quality of delivery, and please kindly make use of this. And as it was rightly pointed out, this will definitely help you to select new dimensions and directions in your research. So all the best to you. Have a great day. Thank you.